How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Eric and this is my channel, Eric's DIY Garage. Now today, as you guys can tell, I'm not in the garage, but I am heading over to my brother's garage. Now the reason that I'm heading over is, you guys probably already guessed it, I'm getting rid of my 370Z wheels that I have on my G35 now, and I'm gonna get a different style of 370Z wheels. Now these are actually powder coated. He actually had them powder coated by a guy of his. It's like a dark brownish copper color. You guys will see them in a bit. I hope you guys do like this video. It's gonna be a short one. I'm just gonna get those wheels and then probably test fit them on this weekend, so you guys will see how they look. I just got here to my brother's garage. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get these rims, but I did want to show you guys some of his projects that he works on. This right here is his 1996 P10 Infinti G20. This is a 2002 P11. So on this one, it has a bad engine, so he's gonna remove it and rebuild it. So he's actually going to school to do that, to be a mechanic. So he's gonna learn by doing this. So he has a whole bunch of parts all over the place that he's removed, and he's gonna get that running hopefully. But yeah, those are all the stuff that he has working on right now. And then these are the wheels right here that I'm gonna get from him. So he had these wheels on his G37, but unfortunately he totaled it because there's this guy that failed to stop at a stop sign, and he ended up T-boning my brother's vehicle. Well, my brother's vehicle ended up T-boning him. Short story long, or long story short, he ended up removing these wheels before the vehicle was totaled, so he was able to get those. Now, it's been a few months since that happened, and he was actually able to get a settlement. Well, the claim was able to get settled, and he was able to buy this vehicle right here, which is a 2009 G37. This is a sport journey. So pretty cool though that he was able to get his money back and buy a better condition G37. He's gonna keep these stock wheels for now, and he's gonna sell me these that I showed you guys. So I'm excited to try these on the G35. As you guys can tell, it's been a few days since I picked up the wheels. My brother actually ended up curb rashing or benting one of his wheels on his G37, so he's asking for me to let him borrow some of my wheels. So I found this to be a good opportunity to install the ones that he actually sold to me. So right now I'm going to go ahead and pull up my vehicle, and we're going to go ahead and take the wheels off, and then we're going to go ahead and switch wheels basically. And then I'll probably record another video tomorrow or sometime when there's daylight to give you guys a comparison of how the wheels look on my vehicle. So as you guys might already know, these are the wheels that I'm going to be installing onto my vehicle. We're going to basically be swapping wheels, and I think my brother just got here. Probably out there. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and do that.
Yeah, he's recording.
So this guy right here damaged his wheels. What happened to it? Huh? Which one? You have your spare on? That's your spare? What? What kind of wheels are those? Is that what the spare is for real? Yeah. You're crazy, Carlos. You just got this car. How did you hit it? Was it somebody else's fault?
No.
Your fault?
I just turned into it.
I know what happened. You tried to pull out of the fast, huh? No. I know that's what it is. Those tires are too thin for this. That's what happened, huh? You lost control. Huh? You lost control?
Yeah. I tried finding the guy. He says $800 though.
For what? The
other ones?
The Nismo ones?
Yeah, the ones I sold.
Okay.
Are you gonna sell me those?
Those?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I sell these to my brother? I kind of like the way these look, Carlos. All right, well, let's go ahead and... You're gonna have to take your car out so I can take these out. Instead of me working on the car this time, my brother's gonna do it himself. That's nasty. It's a heavy clutch. Right there's good. Oh, you gotta put the e-brake on. Are you serious?
It's on. How hard do you have to put?
My e-brake doesn't work. No way, it doesn't work, Carlos. I need to change to the shoes.
And you got mad at me for last time for leaving it.
Wait, is it on? Is it good?
I put it in gear. Just don't forget this time.
These are the stock ones that I had on. Well, they're not really stock, but the ones that I had. These are the ones that I'm installing. Which ones do you guys prefer, these or these? These or these? Aspect ratio is what, 40 on yours? Mine's is 35. I kind of like the 35. It makes it look nicer.
No.
That makes it look too bulky for me.
Just look aggressive though.
Which ones?
More aggressive.
Like the design?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like the way that these look. I don't know. I've always liked the stock color on the wheels. I don't like changing them. Because what if you sell them and then the person you sell it to doesn't like the color that you painted them?
That's their problem. They painted next. That's why I painted mine, because I didn't like the color.
So you think I should get the Akibonos?
Why do you want Akimono? How come you want to stick with these?
Because it's bigger is better, no?
Are they bigger?
Yeah, these are what, 13 something inch rotors? The other ones are 14, right? The ones you have on yours?
Yeah. But will they fit?
Yeah, they'll fit. So we have my vehicle down. We're gonna go ahead and do his now. You never seen that? You know what that's for?
No.
That's
My
so that
old car didn't have
the rear tires don't get mounted on here. The rear wheels.
Really?
That's what they are.
Huh.
I think you might have to remove it.
You think so?
I had to remove it on mine, I think. Try.
But it has the gap right here, look.
Try. I don't know if you can though.
I don't think you should. Have to.
I removed it on mine. I don't know why. Oh, because I had to install the spacers. Yeah, you probably don't. You'll be good.
My old car didn't have that.
Yeah. Oh look, it fit perfect. Oh, damn, you have a lot of wear. Damn.
It's outerwear.
Why is it so much? Is it that's not like what it is from stock or what?
Yeah, they come stock with like a degree
Camber?
or like 2 degrees of camber, and then the toe, it's positive, so it wears out. It's like pointed inward, so it wears out the outsides.
Eventually he's gonna learn more than me. Right now he's still learning, but eventually he's gonna learn more and know more stuff about cars than me because he's actually going to school. So my brother did go ahead and finish putting on the wheels on his G37. This is the side that he kind of hit the curb, and as you guys can see, this wheel right here kind of pokes out a little too much compared at least to, you know, this other side right here. So he probably messed something up, but he's gonna go check that out tomorrow. Come over here. I think these look nicer, honestly. Huh? They're sporty. These wheels they're kind of have like a weird design, but they're sporty.